Trail camera when no one is around can sometimes capture things that will make you break out in a cold sweat in a couple of seconds. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The following shots, shot somewhere in a deep dark forest late at night, show something terrifying hiding behind the trees. The pale humanoid creature seems to understand that he is being watched and all the time deftly hides behind the crowns of trees without ever showing the camera his entire body. At some point it seems that the creepy creature wants to come out of its hiding place, but fortunately for us it refuses this idea and hides behind the trees again. Suddenly, which is very scary, it completely disappears from the frame and everything becomes quiet again. Then, in an instant, it violently pounces on the camera, almost breaking it. The attack on the trail cam is captured in precise detail. You can even see a pair of large threatening teeth trying to bite through the lens. In this video we see two deer right in front of the camera. The camera was placed by a biologist who wanted to conduct a study of wolves living in the Rocky Mountains. However, the camera captured absolutely not wolves, and not these two deer. Something is standing among the trees. Nothing is visible at night, but the camera was recording until the morning, and this creature is still standing there. You can clearly see it here. A large black furry figure seems to be hiding or leaning on a tree has fallen asleep. It slowly sways, which makes us understand that it is alive. I wonder why the two deer did not feel that such a huge hairy creature was standing right next to them. Maybe it's a bear standing on two paws fell asleep. What are your assumptions about what this giant figure is? It is obvious that not only people and animals are attracted to cameras. Some of their unlucky owners were ambushed by these frightening spiders that slowly and menacingly crawl across the lens. In fact, spiders have no love for the camera, but they love insects that are lured by the infrared light emitted by the camera. They also tend to build their nests here because this place provides them with an almost endless and easy source of food. So the spiders captured on camera may have been preparing for the arrangement of their new home. This footage from Ohio shows someone dressed in a chicken costume walking through the woods, playfully flapping his hands up and down, and jokingly singing a popular biblical song. A man in a ridiculous costume, seemingly lost in his own world, knows that a camera is watching him and even comically dances for future viewers. There are also cases when cameras captured people in gorilla costumes. This is no less a terrible sight. The strange footage was filmed on a trail cam installed in a wooded area in a cemetery near the graves. A woman dressed as a nun near the grave with a skeleton apparently began to dance, probably conducted some kind of mystical ritual, a rite. Some people assume that it was a pranker shooting some kind of movie, although there are no cameras visible there. The woman is wearing a cream-colored monk's cassock and a headdress. In another image, it seems that the mysterious nun is being played with the skeleton of some kind of animal similar to a dog. What the nun depicted or did is unknown. What do you think? This video was shot on a trail cam installed in an Indian forest reserve for wildlife observation. In the video, you can see a boy calmly walking along a forest path. Suddenly, a translucent dark human figure materializes out of nowhere to the left of the child and instantly knocks the guy off his feet. This entity grabs its victim by the leg, but quickly lets go, then moving aside disappears into thin air. The boy starts running to safety without looking back. A terrible and even amazing phenomenon was filmed on a hunting camera. It was nicknamed the breath of the earth. This was due to the fact that a very strong wind forced the roots of trees to move in loose soil. In the video we see how the soil swings up and down. If someone had to face this strange phenomenon without knowing what it is, and that such a thing is even possible in nature, then it would be something mystical and frightening for an eyewitness. It feels like you're about to be swallowed by the earth. Nature can be beautiful, but at the same time intimidating. The video was published in July 2019. Something terrible happened to these unfortunate vacationers. Dangerous predators roamed their tent camp at night. The creepy footage shows a man peeking out from outside his tent, only to see a huge lion crawling past. The man quickly fastens the tent flap, turns off the light and lies flat inside. It seems to have alerted the lioness, who jumps over the ropes near the tent when the big lion calmly watches her. A large lion notices a man inside and accidentally knocks down the roof over the entrance to the tent. Predators continue to wait for people, even aggressively biting into the tent and pulling the ropes with their massive claws. Lion is becoming more and more irritated and aggressive. In the end, the animals walk away without waiting for people to come out of their hiding places. Here is a frightening video where a mutant deer got into the frame. A hunter filmed this strange deer wandering around his hunting grounds. At first glance, it seems that everything is fine with this deer, but if you understand how they usually look, you will notice that the horns of this creature are too large for its usual head. The hunter suggested that this deer may be mutated, but some viewers suggest that it is just a kind of deer with a strange shape of horns. At first it seems that a long, ferocious, possibly venomous snake against a tiny unarmed squirrel is an unequal battle, but this is not the case. Adult squirrels are completely immune to all known snake poisons due to a special protein in their blood, and they also have extremely fast reflexes. There are cases when squirrels attacked snakes, wounded them and even killed them. The following shots taken in the jungles of Costa Rica show one of these furry animals chasing a beautiful neotropical bird-eating snake, probably hoping to have a tasty snack at noon. The snake is in full defense mode, hoping to scare off the furry enemy, but the brave squirrel does not give up and continues to circle around the snake, waiting for the moment to strike. She even walks right up to the snake several times. The snake tries to hit her, but fails each time. After making fun of the snake a little more, the squirrel seems to decide that it is not worth the effort and instantly disappears into the trees. In 2021, the owner of a house located near the forest set up a trail cam to spy on ordinary animals. Shortly before 9 p.m. on one of the surveillance cameras located deep in the forest, we see a large figure walking from right to left. Whatever it is of enormous stature. The whole body of the creature is covered with long dark hair. It clumsily walks along the trees and disappears into the darkness. What do you think? Who got caught on camera? A hunter in warm camouflage or a yeti? Thank you so much for watching. Leave your like and write in the comments which video you like the most. See you soon. Peace.